Article 243ZC of the Indian Constitution is part of the provisions dealing with the panchayats, local self-government institutions, under Part 9 of the Constitution. This article specifically addresses areas to which the provisions of Part 9 do not apply and grants exceptions for certain regions due to their unique circumstances. Key points of Article 243ZC: Non-applicability to scheduled and tribal areas. Clause 1 states that the provisions of Part 9 of the Constitution, which pertain to panchayats, do not apply to the scheduled areas and tribal areas as mentioned in Article 244. Scheduled areas are predominantly inhabited by tribal communities, and they have a separate governance system to safeguard their interests. These areas are governed by the 5th and 6th schedules of the Constitution, which grant them special administrative protections. Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council exemption. Clause 2 provides that the provisions of Part 9 do not affect the powers and functions of the Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council, DGHC. The DGHC is a local administrative body for the hill areas of the Darjeeling district in West Bengal, created to provide autonomy to the region. This ensures that the special governance structure in Darjeeling remains intact and unaffected by the panchayat provisions. Parliament's power to extend Part 9 to scheduled and tribal areas. Clause 3 allows Parliament, through legislation, to extend the provisions of Part 9 to the scheduled areas and tribal areas, with necessary exceptions and modifications. Such a law passed by Parliament would not be considered an amendment of the Constitution under Article 368. This means Parliament can make adjustments to local governance in these areas without the need for a constitutional amendment. Summary. Article 243ZC recognizes the special needs and governance structures of scheduled areas, tribal areas, and the Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council. It ensures that the panchayat provisions of the Constitution do not automatically apply to these regions but grants Parliament the power to extend the provisions with modifications if needed. This allows flexibility in governance while preserving the unique legal and cultural needs of certain regions. The Constitution of India. Part 9A. The Municipalities. Article 243ZC. Part not to apply to certain areas. 1. Nothing in this part shall apply to the scheduled areas referred to in Clause 1 and the tribal areas referred to in Clause 2 of Article 244. 2. Nothing in this part shall be construed to affect the functions and powers of the Darjeeling Gorkha Hill Council constituted under any law for the time being in force for the hill areas of the district of Darjeeling in the state of West Bengal. 3. Notwithstanding anything in this constitution, Parliament may, by law, extend the provisions of this part to the scheduled areas and the tribal areas referred to in Clause 1, subject to such exceptions and modifications as may be specified in such law, and no such law shall be deemed to be an amendment of this Constitution for the purposes of Article 368.